So this tutorial is going to show you how to set up a web form on your website. And we'll see here under the CMS system there's a link for a web form. It shows you existing web forms that we've set up already. We're going to go ahead and set up another web form here. Now what this does is allows you to create this form on your website so that your customers can opt in or opt out of your database. They simply enter their mobile number there and click opt in, and it'll go into your database right in here under contacts. Now we can customize this as much as we want here. So we can see there's a header text that says keep informed at the moment, keep informed, and we can change that to whatever, stay informed, and it'll change it here. This says your mobile number. You can just say mobile number if you want, so whatever you want to say, and you can even change what the buttons, what are on the buttons. However, we do recommend that you should ensure that the person understands what they're doing, so it should say something like opt in and opt out. Down here then we have our groups, and what happens is once a person submits this form, it will go into one of your groups that you've created here. So you just go ahead and select what group you want them to go into. And here we have an auto response. Now what happens here is when somebody does opt in, they are going to get this auto response, whatever you type here, and they're also going to get at the bottom of that response is a little 4-digit code, and that 4-digit code will have to be re-entered by that customer in order to verify that this is indeed their mobile number. So this is a double opt-in system, and this is in order to stay legal with data protection. Now once the auto response does go out, it'll go out automatically and it's instant. Now the form is set up very plain right now. There's no design to it whatsoever. If you want to, you can use CSS to design it yourself, or you can also come down here and say, well, I want to create that design myself here instead. If this is a default design, we can go ahead and change, let's say, the size of that form. We can change the border, the form border, which is this purple right around here right now. Change it to a nice dark green there. And this is the background color here, which we could make, let's say, a little darker. This is the text color. So you can see it changing automatically and immediate, so that you can see what your form is going to look like before you even put it onto your website. This is the line above the text. This is this line going across here. You can change the color of that as well. And then the background color then. There we go. So now if we save this, this is going to populate now into the database, and this is the one right here. This is the one we created today. So basically what you do is you take that little piece of script right there and you put it onto your web page. You can have your webmaster do that, or you can put it on yourself if you have an idea on how to do that. So just put that on there, and that'll create that form on your web page. Then your customers can opt in and opt out. So you can have as many of these forms as you wish. So each form could populate into a different group. So like for example, if you have a travel agency and you want people to opt in to hear about cruises or to hear about hotels in France, then you just go over here into your groups. You set up a group for cruises, you set up a group for hotels in France, and then you set up a web form for each of those groups, so then people can opt in to a specific group rather than receiving all information about all packages that you have that week. So fun with that, and don't forget, give us a call if you have any questions about it, or if you're having any issues with it whatsoever. Thank you.